This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening to everybody. Welcome to my online class of SAP MM. This is evening 7 o'clock batch, clubbed batch of all batches. We are talking about a special procurement topics which are common to everybody. We are talking here stock transport order. Stock transport order means stock is going to be transferred by using one special order called purchase order. But this time stock transport order, I want to use it between the company code to company code time. That means our material is available here in one source of one plant of one company code to another source of another plant of another company code, sister concern unit. How to do it, we are going to talk about that one. So in this connection, yesterday, assuming that this side is our Volvo and this side our sister concern unit, some Dodge, we are going to choose. In case the material is coming from here to here, who has to do what? We are trying to do that one. Being a MM consultant, to transfer the material from one source of one factory of one company code to another company code, another source or this one, there are certain things which we have to keenly observe. First point, material master record. Zoom it. Yes. Same one material you are going to create here, you can extend this one to the another company code plant also. We have done. But before that one, material type must be same. Here material type, it can be extended here, or here the material type, it can be extended here. Okay, that is important thing. And this material type should be quantity and value update check button also we have to do it. That we have done. And we are using a purchase order from this company to this company. Who wants the material from that company? We are going to. That means this is the our purchase department of our Volvo. Who wants the material? They are going to create a purchase. So they are going to create a purchase order. That purchase order will come to the address to the plant one only. Up to now, any purchase order we are addressing to the vendors. So how to address to the vendor instead of vendor plant? Standard document type is not sufficient. Standard document type is not sufficient. So we have gone to a place where document type standard, no, it is called UB document type. Exclusively for ordering the material from our sister concern unit, there is a document type called UB is there. This UB is going to help you to do that one. So we already aware from the beginning we don't use the originals. UB we copied as some VUB or something. That number ranges we are going to link it and we'll try to do the create the PO. We are going to try to see all. And moreover, in our company, the stock must be available in our sister concern unit. Then only by using this stock, we can withdraw the material to this place. So these are all called prerequisites and IMG settings that we have to do. One by one, we will try to see what is the material types we have used. The material type is ROH only here and here. Then did we create the material master card? Yes. Let us go to the inside the SAP. Jump into the SAP. Log into the SAP. enter your credentials, proceed inside the SAP. Type MM60. Ask the SAP, one material only show me. That material yesterday we created, that is called bumper or something. Let us talk under our Volvo plant one. See bumper for STO PO. Select that one. I am just entering the one material only. Show me the material master list means it shows that material available, the material master card at plant 1 of DDP1 and VPL1 we created. So if you are going to say this is a DDP1 plant, if this is the DDP1 plant, if this is the DDP1 plant and this is the VPL1 plant, okay, we just created one material master record. We just created one material master card here, or we just created one material master card here. Then we copied that one to the same number. Some last number is some 231 or something is there. Like that we created, yeah, 231 DDP1 DDP2. Okay, right. That is the first requirement we have done. We created the material master records. The document type. Let us go to the SAP, another session. SPRO. Being a MM consultant, here standard document type is not sufficient for ordering the material to the plant. There is a stock transport order. Document type must be UB. You have to use it. From the beginning, we don't use the originals. So go to the purchasing, purchase order topic. Yeah, here we created UB as a DDFO we created. Okay, that is not going to be. I think we created a VB as a Volvo VUB, I think. Yeah, VVUB we created. Okay, what is UB? It is a purchase order addressed to the plant. Because if you select NB or copied version of NB, it will ask you to the enter vendor. But if you select UB, it is going to ask you to enter the, what is that called, plant. So let us ask the SAP. We have done everything. Then we will ask the SAP, show me the stock status, MMBE stock status. For a particular material, I don't mention any plant or something, then it will show some stock here. What is the stock? In the last class, we said some initial stock entry balances we are maintaining without purchase order. First, we are maintaining the stock in the SAP side. Particularly, our sister concern unit Dodge plant 1 storage location 1, some 345 quantity, it is been there. Now it is the time to order the material. Who is going to order the material? Who wants the material? They are going to raise the purchase order. So today we are going to create one PO and creating by the guy by name, the purchase department of Volvo. Okay. Then Volvo purchase department raises a PO and addressing to the plant one. Earlier days when we are talking about any material want by the other organization unit, we are saying that mail message is only the communication. But now we are addressing to the plant directly through UB document type, and we want of a certain material, say 123 tires we want. 123 tires we want from this guy. Let us go and create one such a PO and order 125 material here. How? Let us go to the SAP. Now open another session and start creating the PO. ME21N. Then system says, Srinivas, who is creating? Who is creating here? Who wants the material? So Volvo people are the people. The purchase department of Volvo is the department which is going to create the PO. Let us go and enter in this one Volvo UB. VVUB. Okay, then the moment you enter VVUB, instead of vendor, it is saying that supplying plant. To whom it is addressing, supply plant is DDP1. My dear DDP1, please supply some material to me. DDP1. Now system understand. Who is creating in this one? Volvo purchase department, VPO, I think. Volvo purchase department is ordering the material. In this one, Volvo purchase group is the guy. Under Volvo motor, he is going to be. See, now we are addressing to the DD plant one. Now SAP understand, oh, this guy is want of certain material from its sister concern unit only it is addressing. That's why supplying plant is this one. Here, once you are entering UB, there is no question of price will come into the matter. It is only from sister concerned unit internal transfer only. So there is no price parameter will come in this one. In the item detail screen also, condition tab will not come here. Okay. Now which material you want? Which material I want? That is called what is called? What is this item? Yeah, bumper material. Okay. Ask the SAP, show me the bumper. Yeah, all right. Taking too much time. Select the material number. Hmm. Ah, great. At last. Ours is Volvo plant one. This is bumper. 123 quantity. On or before some date to our factory called Volvo plant one. So there is no question of price transaction. There is no question of tab called condition tab. Understood, sir? Very, very important of this one. Okay. we have done. Click check SAP validate my entry. System does not have any objection. System says there is no error during the validation. Okay, good. Now it is automatically choosing item category as U. What is meant by U, sir? U means stock transfer. Okay, right. So stock is transferring from one factory of one company code to another factory of another company code we are trying to. Okay, click save. Then this PO is going to be created. This PO we are going to send to that vendor. So not vendor, that factory people. I am noting down this PO information somewhere in my notepad. This is a stock transport purchase order addressing to the another plant and want of some material. Cool. Now, if I ask the SAP show me the stock status, how it will work out? Now have a look here. Already in the Dodge plant 345 stock already there. Here in this one, okay, take out everything. Already in my Dodge plant 345 stock is already there in this one. Okay, that too here in storage location 1. Okay, here this is a 0. Okay, now we are sending one official order from here to here with want of some 123 items. STO PO. This is our STO PO. Now what happens if I ask this SAP show me the stock status, refresh. On order stock is going to come 1, 2, 3 quantity. Volvo motor people ordered but not yet come to the factory of Volvo 123 ordered. Like that it will come. This is the situation. Here FICO people will come into the picture. Why? Try to understand. Why FICO people are going to come into the picture. FICO people will say, my dear sir, your guys, your purchase department guys, left and right, you are transferring the material from one company code to another company code. Do you think that you don't want to inform to us? Because you are already aware this company code created by some FICO consultant, this company code might be created by another consultant. When these people are creating company code, there are certain GL accounts are going to be made ready. Do you remember? We also copied from the 1000. So ready-made GL accounts are being created. When you are copying this one also, when you are creating this company code, these are the other GL accounts are being created here. Now simply you are transferring the material from one company code to the another company code. Don't you want our involvement at all? Is it going to trigger which GL accounts here? Here, FICO people has to come into the picture. They have to make one common GL account to move the material from that side to this side. So here, without FICO people's information or configuration, we cannot do the company code to company code because material when you are moving from the factory storeroom and it is decreasing the plant stock as well as company code stock. Material valuation is at plant level. Once it is decreasing, naturally one accounting document is going to create here. Since it is increasing this plant, naturally one more accounting document towards the plant one of the plant VPL one also increases. Which accounts it has to trigger, FICO people has to decide. So here we will come to a conclusion. Instead of FICO people, we will act like a FICO people. Then we will try to see some steps here. So that is the first step. People first, this side and that side, we will create two GL accounts. Today we are going to learn how to create a GL account also. So try to understand what I am doing. First, I will explain you. We will go, actually this is a FICO step which we are going to do, IMG side. Create one GL account. Here also we don't create, sir. One of the existing GL account we will take it. That we are going to copy with some number. At the same time, here also in another company, this is one side company code called Dodge Plant 1. Same thing here also, we are going to create one more GL account here. Later, there is one standard equation, it is called declaring the cross company code GL account here. That is called cross company code clearing account we are going to do. That means if you are going to understand what I am talking, so newly created GL account, we will enter it here. Newly created GL account, it's going to enter. Then when you are moving the material from this side to this side, this GL account trigger. When you are moving the material from this side to this side, this GL account is going to totally newly created GL accounts only trigger, but it uses this information or another GL account called common standard GL account. They are going to use it. This is a T code called OBYA. Through that one, cross company code clearing account must be maintained. These are all FICO people jobs, sir. Unless otherwise this is not going to be done, you cannot move the material. Up to now, okay, we raised the purchase order, we want of material, and PO is ready to display that one. But based on that purchase order, based on this purchase order, from these stores, how to withdraw the material? Based on that purchase order, two-step method. Here, one guy, based on the purchase order, he will withdraw the material, and one more guy, based on the purchase order, we raised a purchase order, they will do the MIGO, and we are going to take the material here. So today, how to use the purchase order to withdraw, how to use the purchase order to place into two-step method, we will use it. But in between, we have to go for this settings called this financial settings we have to do. No other choice, sir. So go to the SAP, a GL account creation. FS00 is the T code which is going to be taken a place where already GL accounts are there available. We will take to that place. SAP will take us to that place. చచ్చిపోయిందా? Again, login. Login to our server. Proceed inside. First MMBE. I will ask, show me the stock of a particular material. It will show. Presently in my sister concern unit Dodge 345 and factory of Volvo plant 1 people ordered the 123. So this is the stock. Okay. Now before going to do the operation, FICO people what they are going to do. So GL account creation. FS00 is the T code for GL account creation. See, normally system will show the screen like this, but environment settings hierarchy display. Achha, we have to enter the company code. Okay, enter some company code. 1000 company code. Best try. Click settings hierarchy. What is that I am doing? Because I don't want the GL account creation format like this. There is a hierarchical method is there. Do not display navigation tree, display accounts in navigation tree. Select this one. What is that meaning? It says Srinivas for new T code. I mean, this new setting will be taken care once you restart the same thing. That means again I will type FS00, then you can understand what I am doing. I am clicking setting button, hierarchy button, and I have chosen navigational tree mode. What does that mean? So click N/N again and enter FS00 one more time. Press enter. Then system, 1 second, sir. System will show the same screen with details also. Now have a look here. It is called company code 1000. It is called company code 1000. Company code 1000 is having so many hundreds of GL accounts. This is not a GL account, it is a folder. If you click it, this is the GL account. Double click it, it will show that GL account here. 1000 company code, first one 30097 is some offset entry account, something is there. If you go to the fixed assets, these are all the GL accounts. Like that, there are so many GL accounts are there. What is this one? It is called company code 1000. No, 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 no. We don't want company code 1000. We want our company codes. First one, first side, Dodge, second side, Volvo. Let us go and ask the SAP first, Dodge computer, Dodge company code. How to ask the SAP? Instead of showing a company code 1000, my company code show me. How to ask the SAP? Right. So first clear the screen, and here there is one switch mode button is there. Here this is called one company code to another company code. You can switch it. Put the cursor here. It says change the company code. Which company code GL accounts you want me to show? It will show. Click here, SAP. Now show me Dodge Motor Company. DOMT, Dodge Motor Company. Now SAP says specify an existing one. Sorry, Dodge Motor is not the correct company code. DDMT is the correct. DDMT is the company code. Press enter. Now same GL accounts it is showing for DDMT also. Why? Because your FICO guys, whoever creating the company code, 1000 we copied. So as it is replica. Understood, sir? Already I told you at the beginning stage why we should choose company code 1000 only while you are practicing to copy. Why not other company codes like 2000, 3000? You can choose. Let me show you what is a 2000 company code. Just for information sake, a context has come. If I ask the SAP, show me the company code 2000 GL accounts, it shows these many GL accounts only. If I ask the SAP one more time, show me SAP only company code 3000 GL account, then it shows only these many GL. This is the reason the original company code, SAP reference Western company codes of 2000 and 3000 itself is having, there are very few GL accounts. If we are going to copy and use that company code instead of 1000, what is your fate? Every time so and so GL account is not there, so and so GL account is not there, like that it is going to make us mad. Ours is not GL accounts problem. Ours is a learning of problem. So GL accounts are not properly created by the system or not using by ours. Then every time the GL account problem will come. Instead of doing and learning your activities, you are go on setting and creating the GL accounts. So while you are learning it is always good. Try to choose this 1000 GL account, 1000 company code, and GL accounts you are requested to create. Anyway, copying time it is all copied. This one. So anyway, first go to the our first Dodge Motor. DDMT is the Dodge Motor Company. So system shows DDMT company. Here select the first one 3997. So what is that we are trying to do? Select in your company code first one, select 3997 and copy with some name. Can I put 6666? Okay, put six sixes, chase sixes, six sixes we are going to do. How? Copy. So you are selecting this GL account and copy button. See, there is a copy button is there, paper by page symbol. Click copy. Then SAP says, Srinivas, you are selecting in the DDMT company code 3997 with what number you want to copy. Here I will say, SAP, please create 666666. Like that, we are going to ask the SAP to create it. Then system is ready to make this one 6666, it made. Now here small text, don't change anything, small text only, you will say 666666 is my GL account, and for the DDMT Dodge Motor Company purpose I am making a note down. Okay, this is the GL account, DDMT company code, STO time. Just for my information sake I am noting down. Same here we are also mentioning that one. So 666666 brackets DDMT company code and for STO purpose. But will that be sufficient to create a GL account? Means copying, that is not sufficient. Click control data, a small entry you have to remove it. This is called alternate account. You must remove it, you must keep it empty. If you do not keep it empty, system will not save this one. So this is a compulsory, you have to do it. Then next one, create and bank interest tab, click that button. Here some interest calculation frequency, please choose one only. Really frankly speaking, I don't know what is this interest calculation frequency. When I am requesting one FICO guy how to copy the GL account, he said this is the best method, do this one. So existing SAP standard 3999497 GL account, I am copying that as 46s. Click save. Now system is going to say data saved. Now one more GL account, in this one only it is created. So for Dodge Motor, we created one GL account here. Cool. Now same thing. Now go to the another company code that is called Volvo Motor. So next what we are doing here, Volvo Motor Company also, we'll choose the same procedure. We'll create one more account. Okay, right. Now three company code is DDMT VMOT, Volvo Motor Company. Here also the same. Select the first GL account number, this one, and click copy as. Here we will say, what is that copy as button? They said this is 7767, it has been there. Come on, let us go. SAP, please calculate, create this as by copying 777777, enter. Now system is copying this one. Same story. Calculation frequency 1 month only. Click control data button. Here remove this entry called alternate account number and click type description first page and remove this text. You say that sevens 47777777. Oh, VMAT STO is there. STO. STO topic time. Under VMAT, we created that one. So 777777 VMAT STO time. Let us try what is going to happen. Click save. System says saved. Now why we have created, let us say how GL accounts are so important, we want to say. So what we have done here is two GL accounts we created, in one company code, another one is company. So this is the crucial point. Clearing cross company code clearing account. When you are moving the material from one company code to another company code, cross company code GL account has to be maintained. The T code is OBIA. The T code settings itself is not our job. It is the FICO consultant job. Okay. Now let us go and try to do that one. This is over /n and OBYA is a T code for the OBYA. Then it says which company code to which company code. DDMT to, okay, VMOT, VMART. Now system is going to say this is called clearing between the company codes. So here, please follow certain standard things. This one, if you look at the standard, this one, here, debit 40, credit 50. Debit 40, credit 50. Please enter that one. Here, 40. 40 means what? Go. 40 key. 40 for debit entry key. One side minus, one side credit. 50. 50. Credit key. Same here also. 40 debit entry. 50 credit entry. Up to this point, okay. Then what is this one? Here we will say from the DDMT side this GL account and other side this GL account we are going to enter. So go and here SAP trigger 666666 is the GL account here, and here 777777 via this standard GL account. Standard GL account means 397, that only we copied, that GL account. See, if you are going to remember the standard GL account 3997 only we copied as 666 here, 3997 only we copied that one. That we are going to use this one. It is not going to trigger. It uses and it triggers these two GL account. Let us check how it is going to trigger and everything. So here we'll say 399997. Again here also 399997. Just enter. Now click save. This is the very important thing we have to do it. Save it in our Volvo project. Proceed inside. Now FICO people have done their work. guys are done our work. Now it is only just using that PO. PO number is already we created. PO received by the Dodge people. Now PO has to be, they have to take an action. So let us go what their action is going to be, their steps. We checked the stock status first. 345 stock status is there here, okay, and we just maintain this. I'm going to close it, sir. Too many windows are there. Yeah. Here we raised one purchase order automatically and order for 123 items from the other factory by using that UB document type, and we ordered to the other plant 123 quantity. So in my system it shows on order stock is 123 and the plant one stock is 345. It will show that same it is showing. In DD plant one stock is 345. In the other plant sister concern Volvo plant ordered 123 not yet come, like that. This is the status as on today in my this one. Now it is the time. By using the purchase order, people are going to do the withdrawal. That is called goods issue by using the withdrawal. So here, removing from the storage location here, 123, they are going to do it. So here, 123 quantity minus this time goods make a transfer of the material 123 quantity minus here that guys are going to do. It is a two-step method, so don't think that immediately it will sit here. So it will be removed from this one. It will be removed from the this one. So what it means, so it is going to be removed means here it removes from the this one. So how to do goods issue with respect to purchase order? Let us go. Okay, by using goods issue, how to transfer the material By using purchase order, we'll try to say. Go to the SAP, another session. So who is going to do? The people who received the purchase order at the Dodge plant, they are going to do. So MIGO, MIGO is the T code, and enter goods issue the goods, and using purchase order. See, automatically stock in transit, automatically it will go to the stock in transit. Are you observing, sir? Once you are moving this material, then automatically system is going to put stock in transit. So it will move and place it here. Okay. This is called S in T, stock in transit. Two-step method, S in T, S in T, again, stock in transit. 351 goods moment, we are going to use it. Come on, use 351 goods moment. Let us try to use this one. So go to the SAP and see automatically 351 moment type using which purchase order you are going to be. Then we will enter SAP. This is the purchase order created by my sister concern unit Volvo people. By using this purchase order, come on, take out some material. Then system is going to say, according to the purchase order, they asked for 123. There is no rule that immediately 123 we can send. We can send 23 only. We can send partial quantities also. Anyway, I will say, go to the storage location S11 of the our old Dodge plant and remove 123 from this one. Then system understand. Click check. System is going to ready to say OK. Then click post. What is going to happen? I think FBN147, FBN1 VMART. Oh, number ranges is not being created. Okay. Let us go. Number ranges for 47. Because of this system server refreshment, 47 VMART, 47 VMART, SPRO, IMG, MM, inventory management, number assignment, account assignment, document type, WA, select, click details. It is 47. Click here, VMOT, click intervals, click enter. 47, 2022, 47 all zeros, 47 all nines. This numbering is not there. Click save. Right. Come on, click, 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 click. Right. Now again ask the SAP, proceed. Click check and click post. Still any errors are there, it will try. It is posting. So what is happening? We made a goods issue, one material document has been created. So one material document has been created. Now, can I check this stock status? Yes. If you are going to check the stock status, 123, this means 345, it will be removed. Have a look here. On order stock will be like that, but 345 gone. In the 345, 123 removed. Where it is? So, so plant one, select plant one, click detail display. In the bottom, it will show like that. See, order stock is 123 as far as the plant to VPL1 is concerned. Go down. See, stock in transit. So 123 will go and sit here in stock in transit. It will come and sit here 1, 2, 3 quantity. Removed from the. During this operation, one material document has been created. Can I see the accounting document also for this one? Click here. Any display that material document number. So we remove the material So SAP says clearly it is mentioning material bumper from one place to another place, plant 1 to Volvo plant 1, storage location 1, it is removed 123 quantity. I came here not to see this one. Is there any accounting document has been created? Click doc info, F5 tab. In case accounting document is going to create, definitely accounting document is going to see not one accounting document, two accounting documents are creating. One for DDMT, another one is VOMT. In the DDMT, our GL account is going to trigger. Try to see. Here 666 DDMT is been triggered. Raw material has been down, this much worth of raw material has been done, and it is going to use this STO account called this GL account as per my GL account number. It is going to trigger. It is a temporary, sir. Material is been removed from these stores. This is as far as DDMT concerned. Let us say VVMT. It is already posting here. Stock is been this much worth of raw material has been come, and this is the account it's going to. Understood, sir? This is called. This is an account. Nullify accounts, people are going to call this one. So why I should do this one? You can enter ordinary manner also, but I want to say there is a common cross code GL accounting means what? Why the FICO people are going to do it? That we want to know. Understood, sir? That's going. Otherwise, whatever the GL account is there, we can forget about that one. So we have done material is in the stock in transit. Now material is here and is in the stock in transit. Now it is the time how to receive the material. Just simple GR. This is the PO. They are going to make a GR either this side, either this side, either this side, either this side, any place in it. Generally, because we are interested in this one, let us take 123 how to receive in S11 of EPL1 plant. We go for the same PO. So same PO we are using for withdrawal, same PO we are using for receiving, making a GR. This time who is going to do? Plant 2 people. This is DD VPL1 people they are going to do. Come on, open another session. MIGO MIGO GR with respect to PO same 101 moment time, same number, this one, same number 500. Then what happened? System is going to take the material bumper 123 stock in which storeroom we have to mention. So S11 you are going to be okay. Click check. Then automatically system understand. Oh, this guy is going to ask me to move that one. Here that's all. Simply stock has come inside. Click check. Click post. So automatically 123. For example, some missing is there. Our people are going to receive only 123 in stock in transit. It will come. So here one material document has been created. So we made a GR for above PO. Okay. One material document has been created. Hey, not to this one. 122. This is old. So here what we have done, this is the PO, goods issue for the above by using PO with respect to PO. One material document has been created. Goods receipt, one material document. Really stock has come. Let us check that one also. So first enter the display of the material document. Click execute. Say, click execute. See, I came here to see any document has been created, F5 document. F5 document don't create, already created for both sides GL account at the time of removing only. No extra document is going to be created during this time. Okay, this is the way it is going to be created. So here one material document, two accounting documents at the beginning. Once you are making a GR, only simple thing, 123 will come into the stock. Is it really coming? Just check this one. Check the stock status. and this is the stock status. Okay, 123 are there. On order stock it is showing. Now click refresh, then automatically it will show the stock is like that. So in plant 1 122, in plant 2 sister concern unit, it is going to be done. This is called STO PO. Understood, sir? That's sir. Is anybody belongs to this one? Prasad is there? Prasad Garu. Anyway, I will try to talk to these guys. Almost all we have covered everything, sir. But anyway, tomorrow we'll also try to see another important topics which are very necessary for everybody. We are going to try to see that one. Thank you to all. Enjoy the rest of the day. Good night, everybody. Thank you. Signing off.